Paris, the city of love, lights, and luxury hotels. Join us as we count down the top 10 best hotels in Paris. 10. Hôtel de Crillon, a historic palace turned luxury hotel. This grand dame of a hotel is steeped in history and oozes old-world charm. Number 9. Four Seasons George V, an iconic landmark near the Champs-Élysées. The epitome of Parisian elegance, this hotel is a feast for the eyes with its stunning architecture and lush gardens. Number 8. Le Bristol Paris, a timeless classic with lush gardens and 3 Michelin star restaurants. If you're looking for a slice of heaven in Paris, look no further than this luxurious oasis. Number 7. The Ritz Paris, where legendary glamour meets the chic vibes of Coco Chanel. Step back in time at this iconic hotel where the rich and famous once stayed. Number 6. Shangri-La Paris, a royal palace turned modern Eiffel view retreat. This stunning hotel offers a unique blend of history and modernity with breathtaking views of the Eiffel Tower. Number 5. Plaza Athénée, where haute couture meets luxury living. Fashionistas will love this hotel's prime location near the Champs-Élysées and its luxurious accommodations. Number 4. Mandarin Oriental Paris, a stylish blend of modern design and a hidden garden oasis. This serene retreat is perfect for those seeking a quiet and elegant stay in the heart of the city. Number 3. Le Maurice, a lavish Versailles meets Michelin-starred dining. Indulge in the ultimate Parisian experience at this opulent hotel. Number 2. Park Hyatt Vendôme, a quiet and elegant hideaway near Place Vendôme. This sophisticated hotel is perfect for a romantic getaway or a luxurious escape. And the top spot goes to number 1, Hôtel Lutetia, a left bank legend with literary flair. This unique hotel is steeped in history and has a literary twist that will appeal to book lovers. So there you have it, the top 10 hotels in Paris. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic stories and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.